Standard 12th Business Mathematics, Exercise 6.1, 8th question. A continuous random variable x has the following distribution function. Your capital F of x is equal to 0 if x is less than or equal to 1. The next condition is k into x minus 1 the whole power 4 if 1 is less than x and less than or equal to 3. And 1 if x is greater than 3. Find k. Okay, so find the value of k, you have to find it. And the probability density function, you have to find it. Okay. So they have asked you the probability density function, but it is given distribution function. Okay, so normally distribution function is mentioned with capital F of x. Probability density function is normally mentioned by small f of x. So just see your question carefully. Capital F of x is given, but we need only small f of x to proceed your sum. Okay, so change your f of x, that is your capital F of x to small f of x. What you'll have to do is differentiate your capital F of x, then it will become as a small f of x. This is the condition. Okay, that is the conversion of your distribution function to a probability density function is, that is your f of x, small f of x is equal to differential of your capital F of x. So your differential only I have just mentioned as f dash of x, or you can write this as d by dx of capital F of x. Both are same. Okay, f dash of x is nothing but we all know differentiation. So differential of f of capital F of x, you will get your small f of x. Otherwise, d by dx of capital F of x, you can find it. You will have to convert to f of x. So I will just write f of x, small f of x, which is equal to differential of this part. Okay, so just put a big bracket again. 0 when you differentiate, constant differentiation, you will get your 0 itself. So I am not going to write anything. If you go here, again 1 is there. So 1 when you differentiate, again you will get your 0. Okay, because that is also a constant. So we'll just go for the differentiation of your middle part only, that is 1, 2, 3, the interval 1, 2, 3, there you will have your differential part. Okay, so just go for your differentiation and just return the formula here. D by dx of x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1. We'll just use this formula here. So k is a constant, just keep as it is. X minus 1 the whole power 4. So it is 4 x minus 1 the whole power 4 minus 1, you will get 3. Substituting in this formula. So in the place of n we have got 4. Okay, so 4 into x minus 1 the whole cube. If your interval is 1 less than x less than or equal to 3, and otherwise it is 0 only. Okay, so you can write 0 otherwise. So the next line is f of x is equal to, so I'll just write 4k, just interchange and write it, 4k into x minus 1 the whole cube. If 1 is less than x less than or equal to 3 and 0 otherwise. So now we have got the probability density function. Now we'll have to proceed to find your k. We know that integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. So here your f of x is this part. Okay, so just substitute in your integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1, and this implies your integral limit, otherwise range is 1 to 3. Okay, so 1 to 3 your f of x is this function. So 4k into x minus 1 the whole cube into dx, which is equal to 1. Now we'll have to go for your integration. The last line what I wrote it over there, I just wrote it here. Okay, again. So remove this 4k outside, it is a constant. Then integral 1 to 3 x minus 1 the whole cube into dx is equal to 1. Now we'll go for integration. 4k, your integration is x minus 1 the whole cube. So your formula is ax plus b the whole power n integral of dx is equal to ax plus b the whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into a, you will get. plus c. So you can use this formula here. Here x minus 1 is there, so you can write your x minus 1 as it is. In the place of n we have got 3. Okay, so 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. But here before coefficient of x is 1 only, so you no need to write anything over there. Coefficient of x is a, because of that you brought your a down, that is your formula. Okay. Now here only x is there, the coefficient of x is 1, so no need to write your 1. If you want to write your 1 also, you can write it. So that is equal to 1, and your limit is from 1 to 3. So that is equal to 4k x minus 1 the whole power 4 divided by 4, and your interval is from 1 to 3, which is equal to now 1. Now substitute this. So now substitute your 3 and 1, that is your upper limit minus your lower limit. Okay, so 4k into your upper limit is 3. Okay, so 3 minus 1 the whole power 4 divided by 4, then minus, because upper limit minus your lower limit. Okay, so that minus, then you will have to substitute your 1. So 1 minus 1 the whole power 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 1. So that implies 4k into 3 minus 1 you will get 2. So 2 power 4 divided by 4 minus, this is 1 minus 1. Okay, so 0 by 4. Otherwise you can write 0 itself. So which is equal to 1. So that implies 4k into 2 power 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So I'll get 16 divided by 4. This is 0 only, so you can leave that second part, that is equal to 1. Now this 4 and 4 you can cancel. So 16k is equal to 1 you will get. That implies k is equal to 1 by 16. So this is the value of k. Your first subdivision is find k. So this is the value of k. Now you will have to go to your second subdivision. Find your probability density function. That is your probability density function. You will have to find it. So that is nothing but your f of x, what we have written before. So your f of x is equal to, we have written already f of x, write that as it is 4k into x minus 1 the whole cube, that is 1 less than x less than or equal to 3, that is your range, and 0 otherwise. So this is your f of x, okay, what we have written before. So in this only one change is substitute your value of k. K we have got 1 by 16. So just substitute your k here, you will get your probability density function answer. Okay, so f of x is equal to 4 into 1 by 16. Instead of k, write 1 by 16 into x minus 1 the whole cube for the interval 1 less than x less than or equal to 3 or 0 otherwise. So now solving 4 and 16 you will get 4 times. So your final answer for f of x is 1 by 4 into x minus 1 the whole cube. Your interval is 1 is less than x less than or equal to 3 and 0 otherwise. So this is your probability density function, otherwise you can write it as PDF. PDF is nothing but probability density function. Okay, so this is the answer for your 8th question.